Hey, what's up, everybody? Cletus T. Judd down at my good friend, the Bill Cole Auto Mall with my dear friend, Cody. What's going on, my man?
Not a whole lot. How you doing today, Cletus?
Man, I am doing great. You fixed to see a bad ride. We were just out in the parking lot talking about it. Kias ain't like they used to be back when they first came out. He pulled this bad boy right here in, and if I had good credit, I'd buy it myself. Man, tell everybody a little bit about this thing, if you don't mind.
So this is a loaded SX Prestige Kia Telluride. It's got heated and cooled seats, double sunroof, leather, fully loaded. This thing's loaded to the gills.
And you was talking about too, it's got heated seats and cool seats.
Yes, sir.
Wireless phone charger. And what kind of money we talking about if a man wanted to buy this, or a woman wanted to buy this bad boy?
A low to mid-50s.
And now you compare that to some of the other ones, some of the other SUVs, they can get on up in the 80s or 90s. So this is definitely an affordable SUV, right?
Yes, sir.
I want to show you the inside of it real quick. Come this way, I want to show you just a little bit of this inside. And then we'll get, this one right here still got the plastic on the inside. So like you said, it's wrapped up like a Christmas present. It's high tech in there, I'm telling you. Can a man like me figure this out, Cody? Can I work this thing?
Oh yeah, easy.
No problem. All right, well listen here. Come on down, Bill Cole Auto Mall. Grab you one of these Kia Tellurides. This is a bad boy right here, and you'll hook them up, won't you?
Yes, sir.
All right, come on down. Thanks so much, buddy. Y'all head on down. Good to see you.